Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to discuss the economic importance of livestock keeping in Tanzania. Livestock keeping in Tanzania plays a significant role in the country's economy. It is a major source of employment, providing income for many Tanzanians. Livestock production contributes to the country's agricultural sector, ensuring food security for the population. The livestock sector is a significant contributor to the gross domestic product (GDP) of Tanzania. Livestock products such as milk, meat, and eggs are highly demanded commodities in the market. The sale of these products generates income for both small-scale and large-scale livestock keepers. Livestock keeping also contributes to the country's foreign exchange earnings through the export of meat and other animal products. The sector provides raw materials for various industries, such as the leather and textile industries. Livestock farming creates job opportunities not only in production but also in processing and marketing. The income generated from livestock keeping helps alleviate poverty and improve the living standards of Tanzanians.